Hello everyone, welcome back to TechChamps. In today's video, I will show you how to get the latest emoji on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the setting app, and here scroll down and tap software update. Then tap check for updates, and if an update is available, just install it. The next step is to open the Google Play Store, and here search for Gboard. And if you see an update button for Gboard, tap it to install the latest version if you are using the Gboard. And I recommend you to use Gboard because it has more emojis than Samsung's keyboard. Now go back to your setting, and here scroll down and find General Management. Then here just tap on Keyboard List and Default. And here just turn on the toggle of Gboard. And after that, tap Default Keyboard. And here just select Gboard, and now open any app and bring up the keyboard and tap the emoji icon to access the latest emojis, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to ClickChamps for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.